Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I am reviewing today is called Hybrid Dark, and this watch face is from the developer DK Watch. So let's go ahead and take a look at the aesthetics of this watch face. So straight away, as you can tell from the name as well, it's a hybrid structured watch face. We have got the analog time as well as the digital time here in this part of the watch face, and then we have got a moving seconds hand as well. Now there are quite a bit going on this watch face, and if you take a look at it closely, you can see that we have digital time here, so 12:27 right now. In between we get our day and date. Then below this we get days of the year, so 186th day today, and then we have weeks of the year, 27th week. So moving on to the analog side, we have our battery percentage here, heart rate data here, and then at the top I think this is the steps data, does not specify. So overall it's a very cool look, very sleek look, and this is the always on display look of this watch face, where the seconds hand disappear but everything else, all the other elements remains intact. So if you tap on it, the seconds hand come back. Now let's take a look at the customization options. So if we go in customize, so first of all we have display, and if we scroll through this will change the color of the digital section of the watch face. So these changes are a bit subtle. So now you can see that this one is yellow, gray and green. So let's go with this one, the green color. So next option is background, and here you can see that it changes the background style of the analog side of the watch face. So you can add a bit of texture to it instead of it being plain. So this one looks really nice, so I'm going to keep this one. Then next option is hours. So you can change the color of these hour markings around the periphery and give some accent colors to it as well. Next we have numbers, so you can change the color of these numbers at the periphery. So moving across, let's see what looks really cool on this one. So this orange color suits it well. Moving on, next we have hands, so you can change hand colors here as well. So now that we're going with orange theme, I will select orange here. Then we have got the second option for always on display. We've seen the first one, we'll check out the second one as well. And finally we have complications, so you can add 2 complications here. So these are all the complication options that you can add. A lot of stuff can be added, day, date, battery, a lot of shortcuts can also be added to this watch face. And then we press OK, and there you go, we have a brand new watch face style and design. And this is the other version of always on display. So this one is a bit more darker than the previous one. So that's about it from this video guys. I will put the link of this watch face in the description below if you want to check it out, and let me know what you think of this watch face. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.